This video goes along with Teddy the Bear pattern, and it's showing you the ladder stitch. The ladder stitch is what you use to sew together the openings. After the bear has been stuffed, you sew the openings together, and this becomes an invisible stitch. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, let's see how we do this. Okay, I have a thread. I'm using a contrasting thread, and I'm using a striped fabric, so you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So I've got a piece of thread about 20 inches long. I doubled it in the needle and tie a knot about 1 inch from the end. Okay. This is almost easier to do on the teddy bear than on a flat piece of fabric, but I'll start as best I can. Okay, so you want to come up right on the folded seam line. You want to go straight across to the other side of the opening. So I'm going to grab that, staying right on that seam line and going over to the next blue stripe. Okay, I'm not going to pull it tight. Okay, then you're going to come back to that same place on this stripe on that side and go across. I'm sliding it in the seam allowance and go across. Now again, I'm going across. Pulling it through. I'll do one more before I tighten it. And again, you're coming straight across and out. Okay. So you can do this every few stitches. You can pull it taut. So there's my little stitches. So if you slide, just gently tug, those stitches disappear. And I'm using black thread. It takes some practice, but it's well worth learning. It will make your bear seems really invisible. I hope you'll give it a try. Thanks.